Label axes on Seaborn Barplot. I'm trying to use my own labels for a Seaborn Barplot with the following code. However, I get an error that what gives?
Seaborn's barplot returns an axis object, not a figure. This means you can do the following.
One can avoid the attribute error brought about by set_axis_labels method by using the matplotlib.barplot.label and matplotlib.barplot.alabel. Matplotlib.barplot.label sets the x-axis label while the matplotlib.barplot.alabel sets the y-axis label of the current axis. Solution code. Output figure.
You can also set the title of your chart by adding the title parameter as follows.
Another way of doing it would be to access the method directly within the Seaborn plot object. Produces.
The axis labels are the names of columns, so you can just rename, or set_axis, columns inside the barplot call. Another way is, since barplot returns the axis object, you can just chain a set call to it. If the data is a pandas object, pandas has a plot method that has a lot of options to pass ranging from titles, axis labels to fig size.
Sweatshop, diesen Sie